Here's how you make and print business cards in Canva without needing a designer. So start by logging into your Canva account, and in the search bar right here, just simply put business card. Now you can choose a blank template, but in this video, we're gonna go ahead and scroll down right here and look for a template that best matches my brand. Now that you have your template, you can proceed with editing your text to replace them with your name, there we go, and your job title. Also, the business or the brand name, your contact number, and your email, of course, and website if you have one. Now, make sure the font is clean and easy to read, because remember, business cards should be simple, readable, and just basically straightforward. Now, after that, change the color scheme to match your branding. You can do that by clicking the element that you want to change the color, then look for the circle, and a palette will appear. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. Once you're happy with your design, make sure to check the alignment and the spacing. Then click share and choose download if you want to print your own business card. But you can also click right here and let Canva print your business card. Just click right there and Canva will guide you through selecting the paper type, finish, and the number of copies you want them to print. That's how you make and print business cards in Canva without needing a designer at all. I'll see you in our next video.